Hey everybody, it's your girl Rebecca Joy and welcome back to my channel. It's a Loc Style. So today I will be showing you the products that I used in a simple wash day routine in order to maintain soft locks. Stay tuned. Hey y'all. So one of the first things that I do when I get in the shower is really try to drench my hair with water. I have low porosity hair, so it takes a while to get just fully wet, and I really want to make sure that I am rinsing out all the product that has been left in my hair. I did put a hair mask in before I got in the shower, so I'm also rinsing that out as well. So the hair mask that I decided to use was the Mielle Sea Moss Anti-Shedding Gel Hair Mask. And on the directions it says to leave in for 20 minutes, so that's what I did. I would say this product definitely contributed to the curls on the end of my locks popping. And also it is a clear product and somewhat of a jelly product, so it was able to rinse out easily. So after a little bit of back and forth, I decided to go in with the Carol's Daughter Wash Day Delight Water to Foam Shampoo. I love the nozzle that it has because you are able to get to the roots of your hair with ease. And this also has aloe in it, so I know that it's really healthy for locks. I love Carol's Daughter and I know that it's a natural product, so I had no problem using it. And it really lathers up as well. I didn't put as much because I also am going to go in with a second shampoo with a different product, so I didn't put as much, but I do love the lather on this as well. Personally, I do love products that lather up when it comes to shampoo, so this is a great product to use. So one of the things that I target when it comes to washing my hair is my edges, because I know that there's a lot of product buildup there, specifically because I do use edge control, and I do use my nails to scrub my hair. I know it's not good to be too aggressive, but I want to make sure that all the product on the roots of my hair is gone. I also go in with the tips of my fingers and massage my hair really well. And I love this because with the heat that comes along with the shower, it's able to get into my scalp. Then I go in with a second shampoo for a deeper clean. I love the fact that it has a nozzle on it as well, so you can really get to your roots. So this is a new brand that I found at Target, and I'm pretty sure you pronounce it Alodia, but this is the organic black soap wash, and I would compare this to African black soap, but I love the fact that it smells like a tea bag. And this product lathers up so well. A little bit does go a long way, and I really do love that because this was expensive. So I'm gonna need a little bit to go a long way. So a little bit about this product. It does have oils in the ingredients, which I love because while you're cleaning your hair, you're still moisturizing it. And it is all natural and organic raw black soap. So I love the fact that it is 100% all natural and 100% organic, and it's perfect for color treated hair, which is what my hair is currently. sure to squeeze the excess water out of my hair to get it ready for the next step. So the leave-in conditioner that I decided to use was Taliah Waajid's Green Apple and Aloe. So while this product allows you to spray it directly onto your hair, I decided to spray it into my hand so that I could get more of the product in order to lather it up and then distribute it evenly. Y'all, I want you to see how good this wash routine is, okay? And yeah, that's my wash day routine. I loved it. I hope you guys did too. As always, like, comment, and subscribe, and definitely comment down below what videos you guys want to see next. Also follow me on Instagram at loc.q22. Bye!